Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a well-written sales associate job application letter. Not only will I read the letter out loud, but I'll also break it down for you sentence by sentence so you understand the purpose behind each part and how to write one for yourself. Let's get started. We begin with the sender's details, which always go at the top left of your letter. This is important in a formal application letter. You want the hiring manager to see clearly who you are, where you're from, and how to contact you. So, we write, Emily R. Thompson, 1189 Westwood Drive, Tampa, Florida, 33614, 813-5559832, emily.thompson@email.com. Now, after your contact details, you leave a space, then include the date you are sending the letter. In this case, July 15th, 2025. Why is the date important? Because it shows when the letter was officially written or submitted. It's useful for both your records and the employer's. Next, we add the recipient's details. That's who the letter is being sent to, usually the hiring manager or company name. Hiring manager, Maple Grove Department Store, 3200 Parkside Avenue, Orlando, Florida, 32801. Then comes the subject line. This is optional, but I highly recommend it because it tells the reader what your letter is about right away. It makes things clearer and more professional. Subject: Application for Sales Associate position. Now let's move to the salutation. This is the greeting. Always include this and try to make it formal. If you know the name of the hiring manager, that's great, but if not, Dear Hiring Manager is perfectly acceptable. So we write, Dear Hiring Manager. All right, now we're ready to get into the body of the letter. This is where you explain why you're writing and why you're the right person for the job. Here's the first paragraph. I am writing to express my interest in the sales associate position at Maple Grove Department Store, as advertised. With a strong background in customer service and retail sales, I am confident in my ability to contribute positively to your team and help meet your store's sales goals. Let's break that down. The first sentence is simple and to the point. I am writing to express my interest in the sales associate position. This tells the employer exactly why you're writing. The second sentence gives a quick summary of what makes you a good candidate. With a strong background in customer service and retail sales, this introduces your experience, and then you tie it directly to the company's goals. I am confident in my ability to contribute positively to your team. This shows your value up front. Now let's go to paragraph 2, where you get more specific. For the past 2 years, I have worked as a retail assistant at Sunshine Apparel in Tampa, where I consistently exceeded monthly sales targets and was recognized for my commitment to delivering excellent customer service. My responsibilities included assisting customers with purchases, managing inventory, organizing merchandise displays, and processing transactions efficiently. I also have experience handling returns and resolving customer concerns professionally and with a positive attitude. This paragraph is great because it gives real evidence of your work history. We start with experience. For the past 2 years, I have worked as a retail assistant. This shows that you're not new to the job. Then we show achievement, where I consistently exceeded monthly sales targets. Employers love seeing numbers or performance indicators. Next, you describe your duties in detail, helping customers, managing inventory, organizing displays, and handling transactions. This helps the reader picture what you've done. Finally, you mention conflict resolution and customer service. I also have experience handling returns and resolving customer concerns. That tells the employer you can deal with tough situations, which is really important in retail. Now for the third paragraph. I take pride in being approachable, dependable, and detail-oriented. I understand that a sales associate plays a crucial role in creating a welcoming environment that encourages customer loyalty. My ability to multitask, stay organized during busy periods, and maintain product knowledge allows me to support customers effectively and contribute to team success. Here, you're talking about personal qualities. The first sentence focuses on character. I take pride in being approachable, dependable, and detail-oriented. These are traits every good sales associate should have. Then you show that you understand your role. A sales associate plays a crucial role in creating a welcoming environment. This sentence shows that you know it's about more than just selling. It's about the whole customer experience. You follow that with skills, multitasking, organization, and product knowledge. These are great qualities to mention, especially in fast-paced retail environments. Now we go to paragraph 4. I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to work with Maple Grove Department Store, a company known for its quality service and community values. I am confident that my skills and enthusiasm make me a strong candidate for this role. This paragraph does two things. First, you show that you've done your research. Maple Grove Department Store, known for its quality service and community values. That tells the hiring manager you care about where you work and that you're applying with purpose, not just sending your resume everywhere. Second, you end with confidence. I am confident that my skills and enthusiasm make me a strong candidate. This is a positive way to close your message. Next, we come to the closing paragraph. Please find my resume attached for your review. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss how my experience and passion for retail can benefit your team. You may contact me at 813-555-9832 or emily.thompson@email.com to schedule an interview at your convenience. This paragraph is all about follow-up. You remind them that your resume is attached. That's important in case they miss it. Then you express interest in an interview. You're being polite, but also showing initiative. And finally, you give them your contact info again. This is useful and professional. Now for the final part, the closing. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of contributing to your store's continued success. Sincerely, Emily R. Thompson. This ending is polite and professional. You thank them, you express interest in the future, and then you sign off with your full name. So there you have it. That's a full breakdown of a well-written sales associate job application letter. Remember, when you write your own letter, keep it clear, professional, and specific to the role you're applying for. Show your enthusiasm, highlight your experience, and explain how you can help the company succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical letter writing guides. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your application.